First of all, let me start by saying good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You are all welcome to Exactly Time Phone Solution. Exactly Time Phone Solution. Okay, today I'm going to take you on how you can change your charging port with a candle. That's if there is no electric light. Do you know you can use candle to change the charging port? Alright, this is how it goes. Now let's start from opening the phone. This Nokia 301. Okay, alright, now here we go. And now we remove the screws. No, start moving all the screws. Make sure the screws have been removed. Now put your nail. That's why as a phone technician you need nails. Okay, you need nails, so you have to put your nails and run it around and just open it. You know, you're gonna just giving tough time difficulties to open because it's been long since the phone was worked. Okay, so now it's open. Now you bring the board out, keep the frame. This is what they call board, and this the charging port. Yeah, this is what we are changing with the candle lights. Okay, now this is how you go. Now you get your lighter and put your light on. Okay, you get this is what they call picker. This picker, you know, with the help of the picker you get a paste. This paste, you get a paste. Apply the paste on it. Okay, apply the paste on the edges of the charging port so that it's easy, you know. Then this is what you do. You now take it close to the candle. Just be careful, you know, be careful, be careful. Just be careful, be careful. Just gently, you know. Make sure the fire doesn't really burn. Yeah, and here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, now the charging port is out of the phone. Can you see it? Yeah, then now you can off your candle. Okay, yeah, now this is charging port. Can you see it? Yeah, and this is where it was. Now we have successfully removed the charging port. Now our next class is going to be how to mount this charging port back, you know, accurately, and then test it and make sure it charges. All right, thank you. Please subscribe. We are going to make you people know how to learn and fix your phones at home. Thank you.